some shit done today. Like lately I've been super busy, but today I need to get to work. Alright, let's go. So I just got home. I got my ass absolutely whooped in kickboxing. Part of the process. I'm gonna take a shower, make the videos and edit it, and hopefully put it out on YouTube. The weather is quite nice, but I hope the wind won't ruin the shots. Oi. I have to do this quickly. That's annoying. Because of the wind, my tripod fell. The wind is steady here. Bolivia is on another level, but I know things are very unpredictable here. People just do not seem to care. Finished filming. Took me about half an hour, not too long. So I'm still using CapCut to edit the videos. See how long this is gonna take me. It's like 1:30. I'm happy if I finish it at 3. Just finished editing this. It's... What up? Took an hour longer than I wanted it to. But I still need to upload it to YouTube. I'll probably be done with half an hour. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get everything done today, but I'm gonna try my best. Like, my goal was to keep an upload schedule. Every Sunday and every Wednesday a video, but like a lot of time goes into making these videos. I try to make them as good as possible as well. So sometimes I miss it. Or this video here that I just finished editing is going out on a Monday instead of a Sunday. I'll try to put this video on Wednesday, but I'm not making any promises. I finished. It's nearly 5 o'clock. I'm never gonna finish all my chores today. I just found out the thing where I have to buy the plane tickets closes at 5 o'clock, which is in 5 minutes. I'm not gonna get my plane ticket today, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I'm gonna go past the Segip. Let me check actually, hold on. Ah, damn, here. Oh my god, I need to plan my things better. My head is a mess. It basically closes at 3 o'clock. Oh well, guess I'm just gonna wait till I go to my Oh, actually, I still need to get something for my motorcycle. I'm gonna do that now. Just uploaded the video. I hope the title will get received well. Sick. Hi. Nonchalant. Looks closed. Might as well do some shopping while I'm at it. I'm back home. If I remember correct, I set out on 5 things I wanted to do today. Do my martial arts, edit the video and finish filming it, plane tickets, ID cards and phone support thing. I only did 2 of them. I do have to say though, the editing took long. It took 2 hours longer than I expected, like finishing everything up and whatever. Yeah, I should have looked at times for the other things. Anyway, tomorrow is a new day. Still have like an hour left to have to go to my jiu-jitsu. So I'm gonna practice a bit of guitar and I'll show you a bit. Like if I play guitar, I like to improvise a bit. Play like a blues chord progression, like and you just like improvise a bit over it. Right, that's it. You might not notice, but I actually cook every day and it takes quite a long time as well. I think I'm like every day 1.5 hours busy with cooking, but I like it, I enjoy it. I'm gonna eat this after my jiu-jitsu. I'm gonna go now. Get this thing to the laundry as well.
Skip, ¿verdad?
Ja, skip. SKIP.
Aquí sí, yo tengo que hacer lo posible por escapar.
Let's go. So, I'm home. I'm gonna eat a bit, sleep, maybe watch a movie. Tomorrow is a new day. Look at that. Oh, I hope it tastes nice. Usually I just do something. So, next day. I noticed there's a crack in my protection case. First stop, Segip. Here we go, Segip. Extranjeria. Oh. Might as well buy the plane tickets now. Perfect. Gracias. That went really fast. I'm gonna go home now and search for the papers. The last thing I set out to do was get the thing for my motorcycle, but it's just not open. I'm home and I'm proud of Bolivia. I'm happy with them. I'm used to standing in line for these kind of things, especially when it comes to documents and whatever, but everything went so fast. I'm really proud of it. Anyways, I gotta look for those papers. Hope I have them, otherwise I might be screwed. Hey, I was filming. You might hear my reaction. Yeah, I got it. Thought I lost it. Oh my god, this makes me happy. Okay, I got these papers. I'm gonna figure out what I have to do next. Segip it's called. I'm trying to get my ID card fixed and get a new screen protector for my phone. The weather is amazing. It's amazing. This is fixed. Get the ID card sorted.
Debes multa desde esta fecha, desde octubre, 1.271.
1200. Well, I gotta make some deposits. One for the card and one for the fines. 1,000 Bolivianos. It's like $100. Let's go.
No puede, manito, gracias.
No? Oh. Paid everything. Took me about half an hour. Oh. Took me about 2 hours in total. The amount of unnecessary money I've spent today, insane. So I'm home. To get everything sorted out took long, but it didn't take that long, you know? The thing that annoyed me a bit was the fine I got. Man. 1,060 Bolivianos. 10 Bolivianos per day for missing out on getting my thing fixed. It's stupid, man, it's stupid. To be fair, I don't need the ID card. I got my visa and my passport, but I'm gonna need it for another reason, and I'm gonna explain it in a video soon, I think. Yeah, for like next week or a couple weeks. Anyway, I got stuff done today, so that's fine. It's nice. Get stuff done in Bolivia. So, I just got done editing, which means I'm gonna put it out on a Wednesday, but it also means I counted my money and I spent like 2,500 Bolivianos, so 250 bucks basically. This video was more like a vlog. I am gonna try to keep my upload schedule of doing Sunday, Monday video. The type of content is gonna be different, you know. I made videos about what I love and hate about Bolivia. It's a bit different than the type of video I'm making now. I'm just doing what I enjoy making, so stay tuned. More will follow. Anyways, I hope you have a good day. Ciao, ciao.